Welcome back, dear students. Now let's learn about the causes of low level of health in India. First reason is high birth rate. India still has a high birth rate, that is frequent births of children. They adversely affect the health of mothers. So when the females, they themselves are not healthy, how could they give birth to healthy children? So this is one of the reasons. Due to high birth rate, the level of female is affected, which adversely affect the health of their kids. Second reason is malnutrition. See children, people are not getting enough of nutritional diet. So due to this inadequate nutrition, food in adequate quantity results in poor health. So first reason is high birth rate. Second reason is inadequate availability of nutritional diet. Third reason is lack of safe drinking water and sanitation. See, in urban as well as in the rural areas, people have no access to safe drinking water and sanitation. People don't have safe drinking water supply. Sanitation facilities are also not up to the required level. As per one of the estimates of UNICEF, over 1 lakh children die every year due to lack of sanitation facilities in India. So this is quite alarming that people are not getting enough of safe drinking water as well as sanitation facilities. Another reason is lack of adequate housing, which results in the creation of the slum areas and unhealthy living environment. Rural areas are not having clean houses. Urban areas have slums due to lack of houses, which affect the health of people as well as the environment, and this is quite unhealthy for the people to live in a dirty environment. Next reason is lack of access to clean fuel for cooking. That is, clean fuel for cooking is considered as LPG and PNG, and people do not have access to these clean fuels, and they highly depend on firewood, cow dung, crop residue, etc., which adversely affect the health of females and children in the family during the cooking time. Another reason is inadequate medical facilities. In the remote and rural areas, still medical facilities are lacking. Moreover, water and air pollution also leads to low level of health standards among the people. Industrialization, that is development of the secondary sector in India, has created water and air pollution. Waste of chemicals do fall in rivers, which pollute the drinking water even. So the smoke coming out from the chimneys of these industries, they also adversely affect the human health. So students, these are few of the reasons, few of the causes of low level of health in India. Now in the next video, we learn about what are the problems which we are facing and what could be the solutions to that. Thank you all.